And letter P, if we have this letter F with the curve located at the right side, letter P is the opposite. We remove the main body part and only the curve located at the left is remained or retained. So P now is the opposite of letter F. It is the same half only of the upper and the lower lines of writing. Again, it's the same uh, height with letter F. However, the only difference is that your curve is written at the left side. It is also written downward. Okay, same with letter F, written downward. Then letter Q, for letter Q, we remove the body parts there, the main body parts. Only this one, no? The one which looks like a hyphen. So Q is a hyphen. I will discuss that later on with the example so that you can understand. It's a hyphen. Smaller than letter N. Or we remove the main part here and only the curve there is remained. So R is the opposite of letter C or K. If letter C or K is written as like this, gakulob, then R is written like this one, gakaya. Okay? Again. So it is similar in length. Same with letter C or K. The only difference, C or K, gakulob, letter R, gakaya. So letter S is written by principal as comma. Okay? It looks like comma and it is uh, either right S or left S. And letter T, okay, the main parts there are removed. Only this part is remained. So T is an upward slanting straight line, which is almost half the length. Now, if you compare it with letter D, it's almost half uh, smaller in height. Okay, so again, it's a slanting straight line written upward. And letter U, we remove the main body parts there. So only the hook here is remained. So U is the opposite of letter O. So if letter O, gakaya, letter U, gakulog. Letter V, we remove the main part here. So letter V is a full height written downward and it is the opposite of letter B. Take a look. If B, the curve is at the left side, V as victory, the curve is located at the right side. So V is now written as like this. Okay, so always practice to emphasize the curve because when we say this curve, then you should emphasize the curve. So the difference between V as victory and B as boy, the curve in this letter B, its curve is located at the left side. However, V as victory, the curve is located at the right side. But they are the same, written downward. It is written downward and it is full height.